I don't want to go to this place at all. Wanna see the time? I feel like it's because my mind know what we're gonna do. And it's like, yeah, nah. But we're still gonna go though. We're still gonna go. Good morning, good people. It is now 5:30. And I'm going to the gym. Just now heading to the gym. A little late. But that's fine. I am doing an hour steady pace cardio today, so an hour on the StairMaster. So we're doing 60 minutes on the StairMaster today. Steady pace. Steady pace meaning it's a steady pace. As opposed to high interval, when you go up, down. This is one straight, same pace for 60 minutes. Whew. I do this twice a week. I usually do 40 minutes on Thursdays, 60 minutes on Sundays. But I wanted to do 60 minutes today because been eating. So I wanted to do 60 minutes today, but because I don't have time to do cardio at the end of my weight training on other days, I do this. But if you have time to do your 20 minutes cardio, 10 to 20 minutes cardio after your weight training during the week, I don't think this is necessary, depending on your goals though. Depending on your goals. We are halfway through the 30-minute mark. I just increased the level. Now because it's steady pace, I'm going at a steady paced level. So keeping it at the same pace for 60 minutes. Halfway through. So I had to lower the level a little bit because my left knee was like, girl, what are we doing? So I bring it back down to level 3 and we have 15 minutes left. Minutes of cardio, just like that.